And we have a surprise in the garage today. Mr. mp.barnet is taking shots of the 2JZ. 2JZ again. He came here to take picture of the cars, but especially of that engine here. What do you think? Looks a little better, huh?
No, it looks great. I think I was actually impressed with the detail on the powder coating, man.
That's cool, man. Thank you.
He knocked it out of the park.
He is the one that loaded the. Remember that?
I remember.
Yep. He loaded that 2JZ that's right there. But it wasn't like that. It was more like this. He loaded that into that truck. He used to work for foreign engines, and then
Foreign engines. Yeah.
Yep, and then he quit to start playing with those things, and then here he is.
I don't know why I'm here.
Taking pictures of the cars and the engines. So you guys should check out his channel
On Instagram and be mp.barnet, or you just look up on YouTube Your Unpro Photographer, and there
you go.
I'll be.
I'll put his link down here, and I'm gonna put him loading the engine up here in a sec.
I might have had a longer beard and a few extra pounds.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. Why don't you just start taking pictures?
Why?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm 48 years old, and I took my first photos when I was 8. So you did.
There you go, 40 years. And he's gonna take some cool pictures for future posters on the Supra and the Eclipse.
Oh yeah, didn't you do, wasn't you put your first car mods?
Yes, yep.
Good memory.
That's the one. So yeah, he's taking a photo shoot he got from the Eclipse. Now you guys saw it all. And yeah, this is what that engine turned into. So I have a bunch of videos like buying the engine, unloading the engine. Turbo is right there. The rest is there. And he's having fun out there doing what he likes. And I'm having fun right here. That's awesome, man. Thank you for taking the pictures.
Anytime. Anytime.
And that's it, guys. I had a blast. We had a blast. I had the chance to open and see all the cars again, and to see my friend again, the one that sold me the engine that's finally going on this Supra here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my friend's channel. He is growing and he's gonna be big. He's very good at photography. Later, guys. Thank you.